I looked into the Dell S2725QS, and honestly, it's one of the better 27-inch 4K monitors for people who want quality without breaking the bank. The display is sharp, the colors are vibrant, and the overall clarity is excellent for productivity, streaming, and creative work. Dell's IPS panels usually hold up well, and this one is no exception. You get wide viewing angles and consistent color accuracy right out of the box. Where this monitor really shines is for everyday work. The 4K resolution gives you a ton of screen space, which is great for multitasking, spreadsheets, or editing photos. The build quality is solid, and the stand has good adjustability, height, tilt, swivel, so it's comfortable to use for long hours. But it's not designed for competitive gaming. While the 60 Hz refresh rate is fine for casual gaming or console use, it won't satisfy players who want super fast performance. The brightness is good, but not high enough for serious HDR, so don't expect a cinematic HDR experience. Overall, the Dell S2725QS is a legit and well-balanced 4K monitor. If you want a sharp, reliable display for productivity and general use, it's a great pick. Just don't buy it expecting high-end gaming performance.